All right, we're gonna unbox. What is the name of your bag even?
It's Sprayground.
Sprayground.
The Powerpuff collab.
So we bought this when the Sprayground was going on sale. I think they had like a countdown. What day was that even?
I don't know. It was like 4 days ago or something.
Oh, well,
like
I'm very sure the price is still the same as.
It's probably still the same.
Right. All right.
I think
let's see what's inside.
They just came out with new bags.
All right, so they come out with new bags and then they go out of stock and they bring another one. Ooh, look at that. That's cute. Okay. All right, let's see the compartment.
So this is it, and there's one pocket right here.
Let's see. What's the pocket?
It's just like a mini pocket.
Okay.
Right there.
So what is the name of this one? Sprayground what?
It's just called Sprayground. It's probably, I think it's called Powerpuff Hide and Seek or something like that.
Okay.
No, this is the tag.
All right, let's show the tag and the
like
number.
at school, like people, like I don't know if it's a trend to steal these.
Oh my God, they better not. What's still what that?
The tag. I don't know why.
Does it cost money?
I guess it's. Are you biting me? Move. Move.
He likes to wipe his sweat on you.
I guess it's but it's a trend to steal these.
Oh well, you can buy.
I'll just take it off.
Some charms or whatever you guys call it.
Yeah. So there's a pocket here.
All right, you see the thunderstorms, it's about to rain, so hurry up. And my phone is about to die. All right. Oh, you can put your pencils.
So there's a pocket here. Oh, there's also a pocket right here.
So many pockets.
One
You're gonna
here.
forget stuff
One
inside.
here. And then this is the main thing. And then there's also a pocket here.
How many pockets?
Are you serious?
Just make sure you don't put your big folders so it doesn't break the bag.
It's about to go to sleep.
Carry light stuff. What else? Is that all the pockets?
Yeah, and then they have the.
I feel like it's gonna get. Is it? Okay, you can wipe
It's
this one.
leather.
Okay. I guess that's why it's more expensive.
Yeah.
All right, so this is, what is that? Playground. Oh, Sprayground. What is that?
The
Powerhouse.
The Powerpuff Girls.
Oh my goodness. All right, this bag better last you till you graduate high school.
I can't even use this in high school.
Why? It depends on what school you're going.
Yeah.
Not every school use the. Not every school use the clear. Every high school use the clear bag. Oh well, you pass it on to me. I'll use it for travel. You can use it for travel.
Yeah.
All right, so that's the end of. Is that the end of the unboxing?
Yeah.
And it's limited edition, so it goes out of stock. If you don't. Yes.
No, all of the
Jesus Christ.
bags are limited edition. Because they only.
Oh, I like that. Ooh, okay, that's like. I like that material.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
That's suede. Are you gonna take this off, or are you gonna keep it the way it is?
Oh, I'll take it off.
You're gonna keep the tag on?
Yeah, the tag is supposed to stay on, right? I don't know.
You could take it off, but
Most people keep them on.
most people, yeah. But somebody's gonna. See.
Anyway, all right, that's the end of our video. Hopefully, I'll post this because I have so many videos on my phone that I need to post. I don't post. All right, so yeah, which one do you want? This one, your clear book bag.
There's a clear spray gun.
All right.
You could get that.
See you guys. Deuces. Bye.